namin ito magagawa kung wala si Sir Dalton at saka si Sir Manny.
Hindi namin ito magagawa kung dahil kay Sir Dalton at Sir Manny.
Thank you po, Sir Dalton and Sir Manny.
Sir Dalton yung trainer ko, sa yung mentor ko, at sobrang galing niya talaga sa business. Tapos yung nare-remember ko pa sa kanya nung time na mag-aasawa na ako. So, nag-ano ko sa kanya, nagpaalam ako na, Sir, kakasal na ako, na ikaw yung magiging ninong nung kasal ko. Tapos sabi niya sa akin, naisip mo na ba 10 beses? Sabi niya. Parang tuloy nag-isip ako na, ano ba to? Tutuloy ko ba yung kasal ko o hindi? Pakikinggan ko ba si Sir Dalton o hindi? Parang gano'n, di ba? Tapos, sabi ko, sino ba susundin ko? Si Sir Dalton, yung pusong nararamdaman ko kay Pancho, yung husband ko. Muntik pa magbago isip ko that time na sinasabi ni Sir Dalton.
Si Sir Dalton, siya yung taong napakasimple, pero may mabuting kalooban.
Ang pinaka-importante na tutunan kay Sir Dalton ay yung maging seryoso sa trabaho, focus, saka yung talagang gawin mo yung lahat para yung obligasyon mo ay magampanan mo ng tama, saka wala kang tatapakang ibang tao.
Important thing, he emphasized twice to me, was the judicious use of scarce resources. So I came here to the office in 2013. The first time we met eye to eye, he called me into the office of Ma'am Rene. And so he explained it to me. So his explanation was not magtipid, but to use the company's money wisely.
He's compassionate also. Kasi every time na pumapasok maulan, sasabihin na, kumusta yun? Hindi ba kayo sa mga yun? He loves our employees also kasi every 3 months he buys medicines for us. Yung mga vitamins, vitamin A, EPS for us.
Palagi niyang sinasabi na yung sa trabaho, pag-ingatan, tapos maalalahanin siya. Kahit na ano yung food mo, kung minsan nagustuhan niya, dumadampot. Napaka-anak ko ba niya, hindi ko siya makalimutan.
He treats you as part of his family. Diba? Bellman is one big family. Oo, trabaho siya, nagtrabaho ka, but sa kanya, it's more than money. It's the people, family, perfect, but he's a superman. Okay.
Si Sir Manny, kung i-describe ko siya bilang isang boss, napakasimple niya, pero significant yung relationship sa amin bilang mga empleyado. In terms of sa trabaho, napakaayos niya magturo. Siya talaga siguro yung mentor namin. Natuto kami sa lahat ng bagay.
Magandang alaala kasi Manny is napakabait, tapos siya po yung taong nakakama sa mga empleyado. Siya po ay parang ama na may tutuloy na palagi ng ganda para sa
Siya ng words. Doon niya na-end yung respect namin lahat. Sir Manny, siya para siyang mother sa amin lahat. Ang buti siyang tatay, ang buti siyang manager, boss. Ang pag-alam namin sa kanya talaga. Sir Manny po, nung una-una kong kita ko po sa kanya, akala ko po napakasiplado niya kasi parang strict baga. Pero nung nakausap ko na po siya, hindi naman po pala. Lahat po ng katangian na hinahanap po sa tao, andyan po sa kanya. Mabait, matulungin, mapagmahal, at matyaga po magtuturo sa mga trabaho na hindi ko po alam.
Sir Manny kasi siya yung tao, okay naman po siya. Mabait, siya yung taong hindi nilipili naman.
Siya kasi yung tipong you can approach him and then he's always ready to listen. I would say na hindi lang siya boss, parang he's like a father to us. I remember nung nag-ondoy, there are so many employees here na na-escape. Pero siya, pwede na siya umuwi. Pero, he stayed with us.
sa double, kumbaga, magdamagan until in the morning. Hindi siya umuwi. Hindi niya nakikita ang lahat. So, everything, he didn't just stay with us. Parang siya yung parang ama na inaalala niya kung may pagkain pa kayo, ano ba kayo. Siya yung tipong tao na ipapatupad ko ng pagiging boss. Siya yung tipong ang bawat empleyado tinuturing ng miyembro ng pamilya.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see you again.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through, that I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I would do, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way, from where we began.
You know we started.
Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again.
Tell you.
When I see you again. And every road you take will always lead you home. Oh, it's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell